Hello, YouTube. This is Mitch. I'm with Mitch Quick Eats. Today we're going to make a calzone. You know me, I like stuff meaty, that tastes good and stuff like that. So I'm going to try to do it my way and see how it goes and see how it tastes for you guys. And hopefully we can come out to something to be really good, okay? Okay, now what we're gonna do with the dough is make sure that it's not as sticky. Use a little bit of flour in it and push it down. I don't like using rolling pins, I like to use my hands. You call it build up your muscles or whatever else, but that's the way I like to do it. Once you get it not so sticky and spread out like you want, make sure it's not too sticky. Then you can start putting the ingredients you want on there. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now what you want to do first, put your pepperonis down. Kind of like to make this really thick, this part of the pepperonis. Once you put that down, so you get that nice roll of pepperonis you want, put that down, put a little ricotta cheese. Kind of put a decent amount of ricotta cheese on top of it. Mash it down a little bit so it's all over it. Okay. Then you put some seasoning on it. I just like these seasonings, which you can use a little bit of it on there. Some pepper. And after you do that, put some of the beef sausages on it. Be a little generous with them. After you're generous with them, put some slices of mozzarella on the top. So make it a giant calzone. It's gonna be a giant one. Get it on the top nice and nice. What you do now, okay, now you take the top over it and pull it over. Just wrap around it. You pretty much push it down to be on it. So it locks in all the way around. So you can have that calzone look. You take and poke some holes on the top so it can breathe. Make it a little wide so it can breathe good. Okay, after you do that, make sure it can breathe good. Take your time, put it on a pan. Okay, now when you put the pan, you're not gonna put any oil on the bottom. What you're gonna put is some cornmeal mix or whatever you want, so that way it don't stick to the pan while it's cooking. Okay, and pretty much make sure it's all in there good. Like, you take your time and make sure you get the whole thing up when it's sticking to it. And put it up on the pan real quick. Heavy thing like that. Bam. You don't have to put it on there. Just put some butter on it. Just smooth the butter around. I do it this way with a spoon, old-fashioned style. Just milk a little butter on it. Put a little Parmesan cheese on the top. Put a generous amount. So that's why you put the butter on there, so that way the Parmesan will stick. Okay. Now, just so you don't have to worry about the other stuff, I usually make sure I just push it over to the side. Tap it down lightly. Okay. After you put a little more Parmesan in, you put it in the oven for like 20 minutes until everything is nice and cooked and melted in the inside. Okay. Still make sure that the holes could breathe, so that way you don't have it falling over the wrong way. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the oven. Now you put it in the oven. I usually like to let it sit in there for like 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, now take it out. And a little brown on top when it's done.